Yo, what up, what up? Fuck with this piano. Let me turn my headphones up a little bit. Yeah, like, and you know I ain't a thug with it, but your girl, she done still fall in love with me. Even on my worst day when I'm struggling, she done still wanna fuck with me. Yeah, and you know I ain't a thug with it, but your girl, she done still fall in love with me. Yeah, and that just be the damn way I pull these women like y'all don't pull a hamstring. On the real though, you on some bullshit, but I keep it mad chill like some Cool Whip. Y'all be at the stupid, cause you can't keep it 100 like we do. And I hate to sound greasy, but this trap shit, man, it's so easy. Like E equals MC squared. Y'all be too boxing to fucking see me, cause I tell the truth like a bad habit. And the truth is I don't fuck with the whack shit. Not like not even slightly. My girl caught up with what she thought that we might be. And I told her that I am not the one. The road I walk upon, indeed, to be a lonely one. And you ain't gonna change how these cards been dealt. Just like you cannot change the way your heart fucking feels. Yeah, and you know I ain't a thug with it, but your girl, she done still fall in love with me. Even on my worst day when I'm struggling, she done still wanna fuck with me. Yeah, and you know I ain't a thug with it, but your girl, she done still fall in love with me. Yeah, and that just be the damn way I pull these women like y'all don't pull a hamstring. All that fake shit, it be nonsense. This real shit, man, I promise. Since nuclear war might be upon us, so figuring out the perfect time to go and be honest. Cause I've been unsure what life meant for, working long hours for a dream that I kept for years low key, but now I'm hell bent on making a reality. Like why else was it dreamt for? And I've been with a girl that I see no future with, cause I've been too scared to go and do this shit on my own. But I am grown, but that don't mean I'm grown. Sometimes I confuse the shit, sometimes I can be the worst type of dude, looking in the mirror like goddamn, who was you? So I play the game, not the one with the shoes, the one who sat in the mirror just to change his fucking view. Yeah, and you know I ain't a thug with it. Tell the truth, I don't know what love is. In the worst way I be struggling, cause I don't